Thinking about visiting England? Whether you're planning to explore London's iconic landmarks like Buckingham Palace and the Tower of London, wandering through charming villages such as Bath and the Cotswolds, or discovering historic sites like Stonehenge and York Minster, this episode is your ultimate travel hack guide. We'll cover everything you need to know to make the most of your trip. Score the best deals. Learn how to find unbeatable prices on flights and accommodation, including tips for using flight comparison websites and finding hidden discounts. Top must-see destinations. Explore a curated list of England's top attractions and off-the-beaten-path experiences that will enrich your adventure, from the vibrant streets of Liverpool to the picturesque coastline of Cornwall. Essential tips to avoid scams. Stay informed about common tourist scams and how to navigate them to ensure a hassle-free experience. Local foods to try. Discover the must-try dishes that capture England's culinary heritage, including traditional fish and chips, a hearty Sunday roast, and delectable pastries like Cornish pasties and Bakewell tarts. Get ready to make your trip smooth, enjoyable, and unforgettable as we provide you with insider knowledge and practical advice. Whether you're a first-time visitor or returning to experience more of England, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and start planning your adventure. Prior to traveling to the UK, it is essential to check passport validity. Ensure the passport remains valid for at least 6 months beyond the planned stay in the UK. Many nationalities are permitted visa-free entry to the UK for tourism. Visa-free stays are typically allowed for up to 6 months. However, it is crucial to verify specific visa requirements based on nationality. Consult the official UK government website for the most up-to-date information on visa regulations. Travel insurance is crucial for covering unexpected medical emergencies while abroad. It also provides financial protection against trip cancellations due to unforeseen circumstances. Comprehensive travel insurance includes coverage for lost or stolen personal belongings. Healthcare in the UK is of high quality, but can be costly without sufficient insurance coverage. The official currency of Britain is the British pound. Credit cards are widely accepted throughout the country. Carrying some cash is advisable for certain situations. Small shops and pubs may not always accept card payments. Rural areas may also have limited card payment facilities. Pre-trip planning enhances travel experiences by ensuring preparedness. Downloading Google Maps for offline use is crucial for navigation without internet. Offline maps allow travelers to navigate routes and find locations independently. Citymapper or TfL apps are beneficial for navigating public transit in cities like London. These apps provide real-time transit updates and route planning. Installing currency conversion and translation apps adds convenience for international travel. Late spring and early fall are the most recommended times to travel to England. Late spring, specifically May and June, provides pleasant weather conditions. Early fall, especially September and October, also offers favorable weather. These periods generally have fewer tourists, enhancing the travel experience. Advanced booking is crucial, especially during peak travel seasons. Comparison websites such as Skyscanner and Expedia can be useful for finding deals. Booking directly with airlines like British Airways or EasyJet is another option. Carefully examine reviews before confirming any reservations. Reviews provide insights into the quality and reliability of services. For travel within London, consider purchasing an Oyster card. An Oyster card provides unlimited travel on public transportation. Alternatively, a travel card can be used for the same purpose. For accommodation, consider a private flat for a local experience. Boutique hotels can also offer a more authentic stay. These options can enhance your immersion in London's culture. London offers a wealth of iconic landmarks and cultural experiences. Visit Big Ben, the nickname for the Great Bell of the striking clock at the north end of the Palace of Westminster. Explore Buckingham Palace, the official residence and administrative headquarters of the monarch. Discover the Tower of London, a historic castle with a rich and often dark past. Enjoy a world-class theatrical performance in London's West End. Immerse yourself in history and culture at the British Museum. Oxford and Cambridge are historic university towns renowned for their architectural beauty. These cities are famous for their long-standing academic traditions and scholarly environments. Visitors can explore the historic colleges that make up the universities. Each college boasts unique architectural styles and historical significance. Punting on the river's Cam and Cherwell offers a distinctive perspective of the university grounds. The combination of scenic waterways and historic buildings creates a memorable experience. Stonehenge and Salisbury are significant historical sites in England. Stonehenge is an ancient stone circle with mysterious origins and purpose. It provides insights into prehistoric cultures and engineering. Salisbury features a medieval cathedral known for its architectural grandeur. The cathedral showcases impressive Gothic design and historical artifacts. Both locations offer valuable perspectives on England's rich history and cultural heritage. The Cotswolds are renowned for their quintessential English scenery. The area features charming villages with unique architectural styles. Rolling hills define the picturesque landscapes of the Cotswolds. The Cotswolds offer an immersive experience in classic English countryside. Stratford-upon-Avon is the birthplace of William Shakespeare. The town offers a variety of historical sites related to Shakespeare's life. Visitors can explore these sites to learn about Shakespeare's early years. Stratford-upon-Avon also features numerous cultural attractions. These attractions provide insight into the cultural context of Shakespeare's time. Edinburgh, Scotland is a worthwhile destination for a short trip. Visit the historic Edinburgh Castle, a landmark steeped in Scottish history. Explore the Royal Mile, Edinburgh's famous historic street. Enjoy panoramic views of the city from its hilltop vantage points. Explore lesser-known, unique travel destinations. These hidden gems provide memorable experiences. Dove Cottage is located in the scenic Lake District. The Roman Baths are a historical site in Bath. The Jurassic Coast offers stunning natural landscapes. Each location provides a distinct travel experience. When using taxis or ride-hailing services, prioritize authorized options. In cities like London, use licensed taxis or reputable apps such as Uber. Exercise caution with unlicensed drivers, as they may overcharge. Unlicensed drivers can also pose a safety risk to passengers. To avoid scams, book guided tours through reputable agencies. Booking through your hotel can also ensure tour legitimacy. Be cautious of street touts offering seemingly free tours. These free tours may lead to unexpected expenses. Such tours can also be misleading or provide inaccurate information. To avoid overpriced souvenirs, shop at reputable markets or established shops. This is especially important in areas heavily populated by tourists. Politely haggle for better prices where it is culturally appropriate. Be wary of high-pressure sales tactics, which often indicate inflated prices. Comparing prices at different locations can help identify fair market values. Pickpocketing is a common crime, especially in tourist areas. Crowded areas and public transport are prime locations for pickpockets. Keep valuables secure to avoid becoming a victim. Use zipped bags to make it harder for thieves to access your belongings. Consider using a money belt for extra security. Be extra vigilant in crowded places to protect your valuables. To avoid purchasing fake or low-quality souvenirs, buy from reputable sources. Established shops are a safer option for authentic products. Official markets also offer a more reliable source of genuine items. These venues typically have measures in place to prevent the sale of counterfeit goods. Purchasing from these sources reduces the risk of scams and ensures product quality. Always keep emergency contact numbers readily accessible. In the UK, the primary emergency number is 999. Familiarise yourself with the locations of local police stations. Also, identify nearby information centres for assistance. Knowing these resources can be crucial in emergency situations. British cuisine offers a range of classic dishes with distinct flavours and traditions. Fish and chips, a widely popular takeaway, features battered fish served with fried potatoes. A full English breakfast typically includes eggs, bacon, sausages, baked beans, and toast. The Sunday roast usually consists of roasted meat, potatoes, vegetables, and gravy. Cornish pasties and traditional pies are savoury pastries filled with meat and vegetables. Historic pubs in London and other cities offer a taste of local culture. These pubs provide opportunities to sample regional ales. Traditional pub fare offers an authentic culinary experience. Street food markets, such as Borough Market, showcase culinary diversity. These markets allow visitors to explore a wide range of food options. Pubs and markets provide distinct yet complementary gastronomic adventures. Afternoon tea is a light meal typically enjoyed in the late afternoon. It usually includes a selection of teas, both traditional and contemporary. Scones are a staple of afternoon tea, served warm with accompaniments. Clotted cream, a thick cream, is traditionally served with scones. Afternoon tea is best experienced at a reputable tea room or hotel. This provides an authentic and enjoyable culinary experience. Exploring regional specialties provides insight into local culinary traditions. Cumberland sausages are a regional specialty. Welsh cakes are another example of regional specialties. These foods offer a distinct taste of their respective regions. When visiting Scotland, experiencing the local cuisine is highly recommended. Haggis is a traditional Scottish dish, often considered a national dish. Scotch pies are another savoury option, typically filled with minced meat. Urn brew is a popular carbonated soft drink unique to Scotland. Thanks for watching. We genuinely appreciate your time and hope that these travel hacks empower you to make the most of your upcoming trip to England. With careful planning and insider knowledge, your adventure can be both enjoyable and hassle-free. Whether you're embarking on a solo journey, traveling with family, or exploring with friends, our tips aim to help you navigate everything from booking affordable accommodations to finding unique local experiences. We encourage you to put these hacks into practice as you venture through England's rich history, picturesque landscapes, and vibrant culture. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travelers, and subscribe to our channel for even more travel tips and insights. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest episodes, covering destinations worldwide, practical travel advice, and exciting hacks to enhance your journeys. Also be sure to ring the bell icon so you never miss a new episode of Hack Trip Easy. We're committed to providing you with valuable content that will inspire and guide you on your adventures. Until next time, safe travels. We look forward to seeing you in our next episode, where we'll uncover more travel secrets and hacks that will help you explore the world with confidence. Happy traveling.